Okay, here at J&S Accessories, we're going to talk about a few of the products made by Muc-Off. They do an extensive range. This is a particular favourite. This is a fast seller for us. It's the motorcycle cleaner. How you use this basically is you wash the bike with a hose. You then apply this product with the little spray top. Leave it 3 to 5 minutes. If you need to use any of the brushes just to really, sort of get into the dirt, you can do. And then hose it off. Make sure you hose it off properly, get rid of all of it. It leaves the bike looking really nice, like brand new. For the more aggressive sort of grease and built up sort of crud on the bike, they do this. This is a more aggressive cleaner. It's a degreaser. Get rid of the stubborn stuff with that. Motorcycle protectant. This is really good for displacing water. So after you've washed the bike, you've got some delicate areas you don't want to go rusty. Spray this stuff on, it displaces the water, it gives like a little protective barrier, a non-tacky barrier, a protective film basically. Don't use it on your brakes, as in your brake discs though, okay? You've got to avoid your brake discs. As I said before, they do an extensive range of brushes. You can buy a 3-brush kit, 5-brush kit, all the cloths that you need, everything basically. That's a great starter kit actually. That has a few of the basic products just to get you on your way, get you using the products, and then you'll realise how good it is. So that's Muc-Off, stocked in all the J&S branches, and as I say, this is just a snippet of the extensive range that we do. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you.